D series, class little thing. We built the engine just like out of scrap bits of like blocks and stuff like that we had. So yeah, it's a bit of a rugged beast like, but we're just going to turn it up today, and if it dies, it dies. We'll go for about 2 bar of boost, because we've got another engine there for it, you see. So just a bit of fun today, but as you can hear, it's raining, so we're not going to get wild times, but guaranteed he puts a foot in here. We're here, the sun is shining, the track stand is gleaming, the drifters are spinning it. Let's have some fun. Oh yes. Oh, handbrake's still on. Yes, look how short that queue is. Wish I had the motor today. Is this Andrew with this, there's a Skoda, what's it called, a Santa Monica or something like that? Rapid that thing actually. Here you go. Scooby. This wee beast here surprises folk. The thing is fast.
You see that here a lot, don't you?
Ready? Oh yes! Oh, some Black Death. I bet you in the whiting wins this. I'll put 50 quid on it. Yep. 13.80 I think. 60 foot was a 2.2. Is the golf broken down? Yes! Oh no! Look at this absolute beauty. Supercharged K20, bad boy. Here's Sasha. Little beast. So, we've been out in Dwayne's car, we've done 2 passes now, try to dial in the boost by gear, but we're having issues with traction obviously in first and second, but we're also slipping the clutch in fourth. But we've been pulled up for a trophy anyway. We've got a shootout for fastest front wheel drive and up to 1.6 engine as well. So I think regardless he's going to go away with a trophy, so yeah, bittersweet really it is to get another clutch, because I think this little D series is going to do pretty well. We got a 13.1 at 100 mile an hour because he let out at 1,000 foot, so that would have been probably his fastest pass yet. So we'll go ahead and we'll push it further and we'll see where we end up. Let's do this. So here's the lineup for the finals. We've got 2 Civics here. Civics taking over. This one will win. This thing's an absolute rocket ship. This is Lewis's. I don't know if you remember a video a while back. Had a wee shot of this one inside at Crail, really fast. It's got a Pulsar GTX 3584 on it. It's built now, well it's not actually fully, but he's just chucked some sort of rods in it, so he's taking it half easy, but it's got a Quave sequential in it as well. The thing is rapid, so really good and entertaining to watch this one go up the strip. We've got Dwayne's here as well, the single can D16. Oh, we've got the slip and clutch, we are just going to put it on the track anyway for the laugh. It's a nice wee GTR. And see how we get on. So the shootout, top 3 cars are going to be the Civic, the other Civic, and then there's an Astra over there. But unfortunately the poor clutch is taking a bit of a beating, so poor thing. And we've got a wee YouTube fan here as well. How's it going? Yeah! So there we have it. 2 wee BEYTEK Civics. Dwayne's already go, just a bit of fun. We'll get up and Lewis is going to win this race because it's fucking nuts. But we're in it anyway for a bit of fun. It's racing, you never know what happens. Lewis is known for chucking rods, so. Hey, pal. Oh, Lewis is getting a bigger burnout. Is he cheating? Oh, he's got him! He's got him! Go on, Dwayne! What? Yes! That was close, like, that was! Oh yes, Dwayne! Oh, Lewis is going to be raging, man, isn't he? He's going to be fuming. Oh, we have drama at the racetrack now. But we'll not get into it. Right, Dwayne. Here's the final anyway. Right. It's a wee 1.6, I think. Go on, Dwayne. Nah, fuck's sake. Timing gear there, eh? Staged. wee race here between Lewis and Dwayne again. It's just far too close to call. These wee Civics are rapid. Oh, that was going to be another technical difficulty there, like. Guys walking over the line. That guy, the marshal's walking over the line. Here! Here! That marshal's chipping the beam with his feet. No, solid. Get some footage from doing this angle.
No, they eat leaves.
The leaves, do they?
Yeah.
We've got a little mascot, a wee pet caterpillar. What's his name?
Zigzag.
Zigzag. Ah, named after Lewis going up the strip with worn ball joints.
He's got sharp teeth.
He's got sharp teeth.
Yeah, look.
I think they need sharp teeth. Oh, it's a bag. They've got sharp teeth for eating leaves. Certain things what they eat.
At first I was scared to touch it, but now I love touching it.
Yeah, they're friendly.
Right then. Racing or ice cream?
Racing or racing? Yeah, definitely. Did I pick that one right?
Parkour or YouTube?
YouTube.
I like YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, look behind that blue car. Do you
That
see
guy's
behind
on.
that blue car?
I see him.
Where?
That one's on launch control and the other one's not even staged yet. That guy's just waiting.
I better watch out I don't drop my
What's
petrol
going
in there.
on? See how long this lasts. The guy needs to pull forward a bit.
Oh, one of the, you see that black car? That black car is cheating.
And the guy's standing on the line again.
He needs to go back.
Here
That
we go.
blue car's perfect, fine. That blue car's fine.
That's
The
it.
other one's not.
Exactly.
Oi! That boy just cheated. That boy just cheated, didn't he?
I think he did. Well, here's some cool wee cars here. Got a little Civic and then we've got the little Colt CTZ.
Well, they're not, that car's not even past the silver one.
They're quite fast, them little silver cars, that little Colts. Oh, here's Dwayne, the greatest times. He won't be happy because his clutch is slipping, but see if he walks straight past me. He doesn't even know we're here. The confusion!
Did you see that silver car? This one. So fast.
Here, so you got 12.8 with a slipping clutch? Definitely some good data there, eh?
It's stuck in my blood.
It's 4.
Aye. Okay.
Did you just see it? Hey, yeah, that.
Hey, you ready? You ready to wave?
Get my hand ready.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I'll take 2 steps down. 1.
Here we go.
Oh!
You won. You a happy man? Oh, look at this. What's that at the front of the car? We have a trophy! Pick it up! Oh yes! There we go. Willie Robertson, #1. What's this then? So it's first place up to 1600cc. That is a crack. You got a trophy too? It's good fun having trophies. And of course. Oh, you got another in as well. Look at that. Champion. Wee D16. And there's a wee Monte Carlo. Let's take this thing for a wee blast.